Hi everyone, super quick tutorial today how you can create this really cool but simple shape. Why is it so important? I see a lot of people, especially beginners, especially if they are interested in sci-fi and mech modeling and this kind of stuff, they use often like just spheres or cubes or cylinders and put a ton of detail on that. So it looks a little bit boring because the main form is boring, right? But maybe, I don't know, give you a little inspiration and just a little bit of a different base form where you can start to add your details and cuts and all kinds of sci-fi stuff. So let's jump right into it by going to the top view. Create here a polygon, regular polygon with 5 sides, something like that, and press B and give it a nice juicy fillet. And then again, you create just one more in the middle, which is a little bit smaller. So yeah, again with B, give it a nice tiny cute fillet. That's great. And with G, you just bring this a little bit up. So from here, you can play with all sorts of distances around and stuff. But now select both curves, press L to loft. So maybe bring this even a little bit more up. So select both curves, press L to loft. We just need the surface. And delete those curves, you don't need them. And now select an object mode, that surface, Shift D to duplicate it. And now press Alt X for mirror and select this green thing here. So it's going to the other side. And now select one of them and with G and Control click, snap them here to the middle, to the X-axis. And the same with the top guy here. So press G, Control click. And okay, we have one more. So just delete one piece. And now you see we have an interesting intersection, but we don't have a pattern in the middle. So very simple, go to the top, select this thing which looks downside. And now, because we have to rotate, but if we rotate, you see it's not rotating from the middle. It's a little bit weird. So press R for rotate and then F for freestyle here, where my head is. And go now to the middle and drag that out on the y-axis. So you have like a straight line. And now, bam, just rotate it around. So you have 180 degrees. And now you see already, we have this wave pattern in the middle. And this is exactly what we need. Because now if you go object mode and you select both those sheets, press Q for Boolean. But we don't want to Boolean anything. We want to slice them. So press again Shift Q, right click. And delete those 2 leftovers pieces. And we are almost done. Just alt click in edge mode and patch it. And the same at the bottom, patch it, press 4, join everything, give it some fillets. And if you want to learn much more about plasticity, check out my newly launched Plasticity Accelerator membership program, where you have access to a huge amount of content. And every week new content is coming with the highest quality, which you don't get anywhere on the whole internet and on YouTube. So check it out. Just for a few bucks, you can literally accelerate your plasticity journey to completely new heights. So I hope you like it and see you in one of my next tutorials. Have a nice day. Bye.